All right, pulling the flywheel off of a Polaris Ranger 800. We've got our puller installed here. We've got our impact driver here, 19mm socket. Gonna run this bolt in here, this long shaft here. Gonna push against the crankshaft. It's gonna pop this flywheel off. If you guys need this puller, make sure you click on the link below. I'll have these available. If you guys need Polaris 800 motors or parts, click on the link below. Also, I've got a bunch of parts for these motors, so make sure you check that out. I appreciate you guys watching. All right, getting that flywheel pulled was a little bit of a challenge today, and you saw when I actually used my hammer and just tapped on the end of that puller there, it ended up just bouncing that flywheel, kind of pressing against that crankshaft and letting that flywheel come off of there. Didn't actually end up damaging the crankshaft at all, although inside of the actual crank cases, that crankshaft is destroyed. So wasn't too concerned about that crankshaft, but you can see there just by the amount of force that I had to use to remove this flywheel, even that amount of force with the dead blow did not actually break that crankshaft or bend it up at all. So again, if you guys have questions or comments, make sure and leave those below. We're going to pull this stator. We're going to get into this crankcase here. I'm going to show you what it looks like inside.